Hold on, I want to pluck your nose hair real quick.
Oh man.
It's gonna get in the way. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and this is my husband Mike.
Hi.
And welcome to BarbiePunk. I'm just gonna lay it all down for you at this very moment. I have my period. I have cramps. I'm in a bad mood. And I just want to make myself feel better by turning my husband into a woman.
Very normal.
There's not going to be a lot of fun, crazy angles. It's just going to be a shot of my husband while I just enjoy myself and turn him into a drag queen. We're just going to chat while I do his makeup, and that's what this video is. And you don't have to watch it. I don't know when I'm going to post this. Maybe Valentine's Day? Like, if you can't find your own date, become your own date? Or just like as a fun, there's another nose hair I really want to pick. Yes! Like, I really tried to do videos today, as you can see by the fact that I have makeup on, but it just, none of them were working out, so we're gonna do this. So this is as much as you're gonna be seeing of me this whole video, okay? You're just gonna hear my beautiful voice. So we're just gonna take this here glue here. I'm not gonna do any close-ups because it's not gonna work, but this is just Elmer's washable school glue in purple, and I'm just gonna glue his eyebrows down. Do you know what kind of drag queen you want to be?
So like, I know what the type of queen I would be if I could just be any queen, but like, I don't think that I can be that. One of like Courtney Act.
Oh.
Like, they're that good. Like, it's like, oh my god.
So you want to be unclockable. You want to be a fishy queen.
Yes. I didn't know unclockable was a thing.
Yeah. Goal is to make him look as much like a woman as possible. We'll see with like my
I don't think I can do that, honestly. I feel like I don't have the right features. It's kind of peaceful.
Is it? You don't look very peaceful.
It's peaceful in a very uncomfortable sort of way, you know? Like, it's peaceful, yet I'm also on so much of an edge.
Let's talk about this in the comments, guys. A, do you watch RuPaul's Drag Race? B, who are your favorite queens in this season and in past seasons? So this is a thing that I see drag queens do, not necessarily with this. Do you know what I'm gonna do with this?
Lips?
Yeah, you might think that, but what I'm gonna try my best to do right now is cancel out the blueness of your beard with the peachiness of this. I don't know if it's gonna work, but
Do we have to experiment on me? I just want to look fishy.
So this is gonna look crazy for a while, but drag queens look crazy.
I just have a red mustache.
Yeah.
No, can we stop? I want this. Ladies, I just love my red goatee.
This is the new look. Valentine's Day makeup tutorial.
Oh my god. Avasti, scurvy dogs. I'm Red Goat.
Red Goat?
Red Goat, the
Is
pirate.
that your drag name?
Red Goat. It's like, is that a pun? A play on words? No. It's just
Nope. I like red, I like goat. He's good.
And this is how I look.
This is gonna stain.
But then that's on my face is gonna stain.
I think 3 layers of glue is just gonna have to be fine because I'm just sick of waiting for it.
No, at least 5.
Okay.
Didn't say that.
Another fun thing to note is that
Avasti swamps.
that's the most frightening thing. Another fun thing to note is that Mike hates anything having to do with his eyeballs.
Yeah, I do.
So the actual makeup part is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna put the thickest makeup I can think of on you. Plus, I don't use this one. So.
I just like making
You can have
faces. I'm sorry, I'm just making faces.
Do you want a picture of this?
Yes.
I don't know if this actually matches your face. I'm putting a lot of it on.
I don't need my skin tone.
I just don't understand how this works, because now it's just pink there.
You've ruined everything.
I haven't. We'll make it better, I promise.
Why don't you get like a little bit of blue and just put it up and cut out the red? Feels nice because I definitely have razor burn.
Open. Stop. Don't.
It can't control how my body reacts.
Babe. Babe.
I don't like it. Why?
Your face just looks so oatmeal now.
Goat meal. Red goat. Red goat meal. That's my drag name.
You look so frightening.
Thanks. Appreciate that. It's really helping. Hold on.
No! No! Don't make that sound.
I'm trying. I'm being stoic. I'm very stoic. Ah!
Oh my god. Whose idea was this?
Not mine.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so difficult. Open and look up. Open and look up. Not your whole head. Just.
I'm just trying to get away from the thing. I don't want you to pat this into my eyeball.
Open.
Help.
Stop. I feel like I'm just gonna spend this whole video trying to undo the color correction that I
I had a
did.
feeling it was a bad idea.
Don't you dare.
Just like right here.
Nope, nope, no itching.
But it's itchy there.
No itching.
Well, it's not my fault that everything feels absolutely the worst. Ah, yay.
Do you want any colors, by the way?
Man, teal. Pink.
Man teal? Everything's so silent when we start doing the eyeshadow makeup.
Yeah, I can't think of anything but how much torture this is. Heart golding.
Open and look up. I don't know how you expect to be a fish if you can't even handle. Hey,
I can't.
the water, you know?
I just want to be a landfish.
Stop.
Okay.
Trying to be an artist up in here.
Art is pain.
Alright, keep very still. Don't do anything. Don't do anything at all. Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
Alright, stay. Now, you have to let that dry, so keep it closed. Circularly swoop in that cheekbone there, and then the other side. We're gonna do the same. And then we're gonna blend upward.
But see, I still
Turn out.
feel like I look not fishy enough.
You know, you're just not going to.
Damn it.
That's just the fact of who you look like as a person.
I want to look as fishy as Courtney.
She just has like a really womanly face already.
You're saying that I don't?
I really am saying that you don't.
Damn. No more eyes. Can we just be done with the eyes? The eyes
No.
look great. We're done.
We honestly can't be done with that.
This is the look, guys. I really enjoyed this. I hope you did too.
Nope.
Wait.
The gentle anger just there. Just to give you just like a really dainty nose.
Dainty. Instead of a powerful nose.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you some highlight.
I burped when you said that.
Who are your favorites in general?
Well, Ben de la Creme is my top favorite of all time. I like a lot of the same people you do, though. You know? Katya.
Ugh, Katya.
Who's
Trixie?
named Trixie Mattel. I should have said that. Trixie. Oh wait, no. Who's Tittyfuck 9000?
Alaska, Thunderfuck 9,000?
Yeah, Thunderfuck 9000.
5,000.
Yeah, 9000. is better.
Hey.
What?
Not while I do the eyebrows.
Sorry.
I'm just gonna draw this with black because I just don't care at this point.
No. So if I don't have the features look fishy, I want to look great.
It's too late.
Damn it.
I'm gonna just have to cover it all up with glitter. Alright, close your eyes. Alright, I'm gonna glue a bunch of stuff to your face. Ready?
No. That's cool. But this is also my hell right now. And that's all. Done.
Nope.
Let's just do one eye.
Nope.
Yeah, this is the worst possible thing.
Look, I have rhinestones on my eyes right now.
This is the worst.
Oh my god, stop.
It looks cool though. No. Just bottoms. Just Dusty Ray bottoms.
Can't just do your bottom lashes. That's not what this is. Look, well, babe, this is what I'll do.
What?
I'll put your hair over this side of your face. We won't have to glue any more things on, okay?
Okay.
I fucked up a little bit by putting top lashes on your bottom lash.
I think it looked cool though.
Yeah. But, you know.
It's a look. It's a moment.
I feel like drag queens would actually do that, though, so.
Potential. Would they say potential?
Nope. And then I'm gonna have to do mascara.
No.
Yep.
No.
It's not complete without mascara.
I can't handle it. I can't. I think I will snap and something will happen that no one is gonna like. Least of all, anyone in this room. I might eat you. I might just like eat you.
Get up, it's fine. You'll live.
At what price? I'm gonna make some sounds. It's the only way I can get through this.
Don't. Alright, open. Look at how beautiful.
So beautiful.
Okay. Turn up. Look up. Look up with your eyeball. Up with your eyeball.
It is.
Open.
I wish I was. Just like that.
Look, babe, this mascara is better than sex.
We'll see about that.
Alright, look up.
This is the face I make just before I eat you.
Alright, we're just doing that one eye full of lashes, otherwise my husband will explode. What color lipstick do you want?
Whatever will work with this moment.
Sorry, that was a horrible noise.
I was trying to swallow.
Stop! Stop making dumb faces.
I'm trying to make sexy faces.
Alright guys, that's the finished look there. You kind of look like someone from a show that we're watching.
Sabrina.
Oh yeah.
The teacher.
Yeah, the teacher from Sabrina. You kind of look like the teacher from Sabrina.
You can borrow my Book of the Dead any day.
If you have a thought for who this is in the comments, let me know. Give my husband a drag name in the comments. Let me know how just okay I did. just okay. I want to try another wig on you though.
I feel like I'm having more fun.
Yeah. Stop it! I like whatever persona is happening now. Oh, also, don't forget to like it, subscribe it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.